Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add an EBT card on DoorDash. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now add your EBT or Snap card by navigating to the Account tab and accessing payment methods through Account Settings, and save your Snap or EBT card number as a payment method. Now from there, browse for the qualified grocery items using your Snap or EBT card. Identify stores and products with a Snap label to find eligible items at participating retailers. Now, when shopping with a participating merchant, utilize the option to filter by Snap eligible items. Utilize your Snap EBT card for the checkout process. During checkout, choose Pay with Snap and input the desired amount to charge to your Snap or EBT card for eligible items in your cart. Ensure you click Pay with Snap to avoid defaulting to your card on file. Once the Snap or EBT amount is entered, it will be visible in your order summary. Remember, you are still responsible for paying for non-Snap eligible items in your cart, as well as fees, taxes, and tips, using alternative payment method like a debit or credit card. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.